How to make your flat ready for Airbnb hosting. So, if you're planning to list your flat on Airbnb, first things first, you want to go ahead and declutter and deep clean. Okay, tidy up your space. Remove personal items like family photos, paperwork, valuables. Then do a deep clean. Vacuum the carpets. Okay, go ahead and wipe down surfaces. Make sure the bathroom and kitchen are spotless. So let me show you my space right here. Quite minimal. There is artwork as well, as you can see, giving it a unique touch, but everything is minimal. In Airbnb, less is more. You want to make them feel like the space is actually bigger. But of course, you need to have essentials. Like, look at me. I have a lot of amenities. I've provided them: barbecue grills, a dedicated workspace for people who are traveling but also working, right? A fire pit. Free parking goes a long way. And also, you need to furnish with essentials, right? Go ahead and provide them with anything they will need for a comfortable stay. Fresh bedding, towels, toiletries like shampoo, soap, toothpaste, kitchen basics, right? Utensils, coffee, a kettle, a microwave oven, right? Strong Wi Fi with a visible password. And of course, guys, safety comes first. You want to check that your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are working. So make sure those are working. Have a fire extinguisher and a fire, you know, first aid kit also nearby. And you want to have some instructions, also a exit sign, clear exit sign as well. You can go ahead and let them know what the best exit would be. Set up a unique code for each guest if you're also using a keyless entry, right? You basically need to also set up a cozy but functional space. So let me show you this other property here, right? You want to have soft lighting with bedside lamps in the bedrooms. Look at this. This is also for the dinner table. There's also candle. You can do candlelit dinners as well, right? Candles depending on the feel. So this is near a national park, and so we're using things like candles, local artwork, as you can see, local furniture style, right? Look at the art here, the local feel of sitting, right? Look at the views. Everything like this goes a long way. And you also need to add blackout curtains for comfortable sleep. So, for example, here, these curtains, they help out, uh, light not to come in the room so people can be more comfortable. As you can see here, more curtains. And you need to take high quality photos. Like, look at this one right here. Okay? Because photos can actually make or break your listing. Use natural light. Look at this. This is not that good in terms of photos, and this is not the best cover photo to have. This one is way better. Look at this one. Use natural lighting. Utilize it. Okay? Take wide shots. Make sure your space looks big. Don't take shots like this. Take wide shots like this one. This one's decent. Okay, take a look at this one. Perfect. Wide shots. Make your space look big. Highlight unique features like a balcony if you have that. Let me show you mine. I highlighted this. This is my unique feature. So city view if you have a stylish decor, right? And of course, you need to optimize your Airbnb listing. I have added all my amenities. I have set a competitive pricing here, depending on this area. If you're new, you want to offer these discounts, right? For your first few guests to basically build the reviews. And then, go ahead and test the Wi-Fi, do a final walkthrough before the guests actually arrive, make sure everything is clean, and ensure that all the essentials are stocked. And that's it, guys. And now your flat would be ready for Airbnb hosting.